Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look a hot mess, so today Matt's just going to be in the video. Next time we do this, I'm thinking that we're most likely, because this is the December V-Box Fashionsta box from, obviously, Fashionsta. This is the men's box, this is the December one, and I ordered it a little bit later, so for January, I'm pretty sure we're going to be getting the boxes at like the same time. Actually, I don't quite think that's true. I don't know, but we'll eventually figure out how to do it. Tell me how you guys want to see it. If you want to just see him open the box, then we can do it like that, or us both. But I'm going to turn the camera around and just film him opening it up and see how he likes the products. Alright, he's opened it up. Don't mind him, he's in his pajamas and his robe. We're comfy. So, that right there is a pamphlet that has everything in it. What does it say on top?
Because you have better things to do, we chose these products for you. The box for men.
Okay, we're going to put the light on you.
Okay. Oh, great. More little things to find on the floor later. Menly face scrub. It's got a lot of dust in it, so I don't know if that's something leaking.
It's just from this.
Maybe.
Alright, show him at the camera. Facial scrub, which you need to use. Read the back of it.
Should I read this whole thing?
Oh, that's a lot of it, I guess. Here, no, read the pamphlet. No, don't read it. The pamphlet shows the price and stuff, so you gotta find it on there. So, Matt obviously doesn't have hair, and so when he gets shampoo and conditioner in boxes and stuff, it's kind of like, I won't use it, but he's trying to get into more of, like, hygiene stuff or whatnot, like, for his face. I don't know. He doesn't stink. A routine. You know, he doesn't stink. He's very manly. He's very sexy. So he just wants to try out new, like, face products, and I think that this box will definitely do that. He doesn't really go through stuff, like, super fast, but I'm telling him this right now, I'm wanting him to get this box every month because I want him to start using these products for you guys, and then at the end of, let's say, after a few months of him using the product, we can sit down and he can give his, like, opinion on kind of his, like, manly favorites. So I just think it'd be pretty cool. You know? He's a very easy guy to, like certain things, but, you know. How much is that one?
2 ounces.
It's how much, the price it says on there.
Does it?
Right on top. Wherever.
Does it?
Okay. I'm wrong. I thought it said the price. But it's okay, it doesn't.
Face scrub. Exfoliate, bro. But seriously, you really should be doing this by now.
Yeah, very true. He has an exfoliator that I got from him before.
It says to use twice a week, so I can probably manage that.
Yeah. Well, you should be washing your face every day, regardless of if you're showering or not. Because he showers like every other day.
Hydrating conditioner.
Which I can totally use that, or I can gift to my dad and see how my dad likes it.
With aloe,
because my dad has a head full of hair.
jojoba, avocado, shea.
Jojoba. Jojoba.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Or I can give it to Hannah and have Will try it out, and then that's a good idea. I think we'll do that. We're going to do this month, and then we're going to do next month, because if next month's come with shampoo and conditioner, then I think it's kind of not really, I don't know if it's worth getting the box or not, but anyway.
Men apostrophe D. Mend. Skinned. Anti-aging.
Okay, and this is what this looked like. Cool packaging.
Yeah, moisturizer would be fine. You know,
very manly.
I like to use a lot of soap, and that can dry out my skin.
Yeah, and you're always saying that after you shave your head, you need some moisturizer. So. Yeah. Is that the shampoo?
Body cleanser.
Oh.
First hand. Formulated with activated charcoal.
That's awesome.
This is like some dark paint stuff. Like,
I'm excited for you to try that stuff out,
like
though.
Black lather, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Very manly.
I guess, yeah. Classy. All right.
Is that all that's in the box?
No, I think I got one more thing here.
We'll do an up close on that. So this is the same brand as that other thing. I love how, like, simple the packaging is. I'm excited for you to try this out. And you guys, these are like heavy duty products.
This is like some kind of charcoal face mask, I think.
Oh, do we need to do a face mask night together one of these
Duh.
nights? Yay! See? You guys, we used to do videos together. We used to do face mask, and I love the fact that this box shows that men can do face masks too. It's not just a girl thing.
Oh my god, it's going to bring us together.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. You're such a dork. Okay, let me see that one.
Oh.
Botanic Fuse Charcoal. Nice. Okay. I'm excited for you to try this out. Is this like a sheet mask? Oh yeah, it's one of those really cool ones you like laid on your face.
Okay.
You know?
Cool.
Okay, there you go. What do you think about this box for 25 bucks?
20. Okay.
What?
25 bucks? Like, well, like a lot of these boxes, how much of it are you going to use, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, if we can give this away to somebody who will use their hydrating conditioner, but
all the other stuff
rest of
you'll
it,
use. Yeah.
You know, as the rest of it, I'm going to use.
And to be honest, I think
It's probably going to last me a long time because.
Well, you do plan on washing your face every night now. It'll be good for you.
I do.
It's good for your skin, babe.
Every night? Are you sure it's not bad for your skin? Overwashing?
Okay. You tend to sweat, and your face gets very oily.
That is true.
So I think even just a little bit of soap that you already have, it's good to wash your face. That's healthy for your face. Obviously, I'm not saying, hey, you need to wash your face every day. I'm not no dermatologist or anything like that. And plus your face doesn't break out a lot at all. But sometimes it just kind of makes you feel a little bit better. Just wash your face, you know?
Yeah.
But, okay guys, I think this box turned out pretty good. Matt's very, just chill about it. He's got a few new products to use. We'll see what next month's box brings. Kind of curious what they'll do. I think it'd be so cool if they put, a new razor in there for him. Even though he has a razor already, but you never can have enough razors, you know? And then maybe some shaving cream or something.
To see how long some of this stuff lasts. Because $25, that seems pretty reasonable.
Yeah, and you want to know something? Conditioner, you can actually use conditioner for a shaving cream. Pretty crazy, huh? But we will give that to Will and see how he likes it. My friend Hannah, her man Will has very nice hair. And we'll see how he likes it.
Gosh, he had to shave his flowing locks.
He had some very nice locks on his hair, and then he had to cut that all off. But anyway.
Will, you're still handsome, okay?
You are. You're very handsome. Because Hannah will probably most likely be watching us.
You were really pulling off the long hair look.
Yeah.
Okay. Some of us are jealous of that.
Matt and I both have crushes on you. I'm just joking. I totally don't. I didn't just say that.
She's not joking.
Shut up. Matt has a man crush on you. Anyway, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you haven't seen Matt and I do our little speed makeover video that we recently just posted, I'll be showing you guys. Be careful, babe. That thing is sharp. Oh my gosh. I will link that above for you guys so you can go check it out. I've probably already linked it somewhere in this video. But yeah, we'll see you guys in my next one.
Bye.
Bye.